How to add payment method to Google account. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let me guide it through quick and easy on how you can add payment method to Google account. Now in order to add payment method to Google account, what you can do is simply go ahead and open up Google Chrome or Google, then tap on three dots at the top right and head into settings. Now make sure you are logged into your particular account that you like to add your payment methods, and down below you can see payment methods option here. Now you can directly add payment methods into your Google Chrome here. So simply tap on add. You can either scan card or enter in the details manually and add it. Now this is for Google Chrome, right? To add into your account, you can tap on settings here. Again, tap on three dots, head into settings. Here, scroll down and head into your manage your Google account option, and here you should be able to see data and privacy, security and payments and subscriptions. Head into it and you can go ahead and add your payment method here. So this is how you can add payment method to your Google account. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below as well.